Maximus Analysis here for October 6, 2016, and God, this is getting boring, and just trying not to put on any stupid trades, quite honestly, because what happens is during boredom, again, I'm looking at the weekly chart for the ES. You can always look and see what time frame I'm using. By the upper left-hand corner, we're in a doji, and it's just not moving. Oh, this is my face all day. This is my face. See that? That's what I got going on. So we'll just continue to watch nothing and go from there. Here's the daily. You could just see it sideways. 10-point moves look like they're running for the, for the fences. This is the 240-minute chart, and you could just see here, how much things are moving, and kind of just go from there. Again, we're drawing the same things every day because there's really not much going on. So let me actually not go through all of them and just go through stuff that is moving. So crude is moving. You can see it really moving nicely. Now again, I wouldn't go long here based on look how many days it's up. But again, uptrend, held a 200-day moving average. I caught this one, didn't catch this double. I wanted it to get actually lower to take out the $40 guys, but they didn't. So congratulations, bulls, and we'll continue to watch from here. Again, look for this level of resistance that we're going into, which is 51.63. We have coffee. Coffee continues to break down at the levels that I put 2 weeks ago on, again, just shooting star against previous levels that you can see here that broke and became resistance and tapped it. Nice shooting star pattern and rolling right now. Again, you could probably have been in already, probably put your stop back here or look to approach break even. I like to get at least 1-to-1 before I go break even or pull off half and then roll my stop to half so that I'm actually break even, but giving it some space. What else do you have here? You have TLT continues to look down. I mean, it's still looking like it's going to touch these levels, and again, that's just evening star type of pattern. And if they don't close up, they're going to crush it down. Dollar UUP actually is looking up, so I'm expecting something. Again, we see what's going on with gold, but I was expecting oil as well. But hey, these correlations don't work perfectly all the time. Which you can see, gold here is continuing to go down, and again I'm going to look and see on the weekly time frame where I can position myself. So if we just look at the raw price action right here, we could say, okay, let's look to see if we have something in this range. Came in, they sold here, regained here, so we'll continue to watch here, or we'll get around this level and kind of go from there, which would be 1200, which is a sneeze away, but we'll watch it from here. Okay. British pound continues to go down. So look at this. I mean, it's still, this is Brexit. I don't really hear much about it, but they're selling that. They're selling the euro sideways. The Swiss is sideways. Let's see again. I think the looking to see what happens with the yen, which is actually right there. So they're selling that. I don't know if they're going to rip it up or not, but again, they're over their 200-day moving average, and it's sideways, but we'll just continue to watch kind of where they're going regarding here. So again, it's how they close the week, not how the candle is open. So we'll continue to watch here and see if they're going to hold this 200-day moving average. IWM wasn't that bad. Again, it's just indecision, and we just got to take it from there, because again, there's a lot of stuff. Unfortunately, we'll see that bonds are breaking down. This is the ZB. They continue to break the bonds down. Even using the TLT is actually under 135, like I just showed before, but that was the future. And you also have the ZF as the 5-year. You can see that one's continuing to go down. Let's kind of give it some more time frame to see where we are in regards to trend. Let's look here. Okay, so they're right at the 50% mark, which they sold, false break, and look like they're selling now. So we'll see where they go. So again, I'm going to keep this one short because it was just so painful that I had to walk away because my eyes started burning and I started getting kind of antsy. And I was like, you know what, let me just walk away from it, because the boredom trades and the chop trades are the ones that will suck your money out the most. ever. So let's see if they stop this 10-point run, 20-point run, freeze the market thing, and they keep flirting around. They hit 21.44 on the ES, and we want to see if they get back below that. So we'll see, man. But again, if you have any comments or questions, feel free. I actually posted all of the last newsletter on social media, on Facebook, on a couple different things. So again, if you didn't get a copy, please shoot me an email, and I'll shoot it over to you. And take care.